the social networking facilities that we have, so that our students, our learners will have access to all the materials, to the various interaction. Because in our sense, interactive education is the most important thing. Now, apart from asking our students to get information from the normal website and so on, of course we have resources from other universities, similar universities, Open University UK, as well as the one in Australia, Queensland. But we, at the same time, and from time to time, have to enhance our system. We have the learning management system of ours that encourages students to manage themselves, to learn from the system, to interact not only with their tutors, with faculty members, but through the learning management system as well, they have to manage their finances, contact with the management and so on. I think this is familiar to people who are in the ODR context. And of course, the development of various learning materials is important to them. So we go through the various means, iBooks, iTutorial, iLectures, the development of learning objects and so on that go through our faculty members. But one of the developments which we are quite proud of in the last 2 years is the development of iRadio, using our website to reach to the student. We have done that successfully, where the students can have as much information as possible from their tutors, from their lecturers, where our management staff, where our faculty members have interviews to the iRadio, learning, giving the learning accessibility to our students. But we are also proud that because of this, because of the response of students, it's very good. We have already worked with the Maldives Ministry of Education, with SEMCA in India, where we hope the iRadio will be also as effective as in the Maldives, perhaps in India too. The Ministry of Education in the Maldives has adopted this fully to reach all their teachers who are all everywhere, because there's so many islands and the schools are the various islands. So iRadio has been found to be a good way of reaching their teachers for information, for everything that the ministry wants to let them know. Now, the other one is, of course, mobile learning. Everyone has got a phone now. And I think every country, whether China, India, Indonesia, tremendous use of this new toy has been on the increase, very substantial. And we have been using this to reach our students, to let them know the various tidbits about their courses, about their timetabling and so on. And there are a few courses that have been done fully on this. The other item is, of course, we have two new things here which the student has access. MRC is Mathematics Resource Center, and the E-Gate is the English gateway for all our students. They have access to this. They can learn a little bit more. And I think this is accessible to them. Throughout the day, 24 hours a day. So they, I presume, are very happy. Now, we also have started this month actually, to introduce web-based modules where students can utilize them, and there are a few courses already being done, I think. Now, what is most important in our sense is actually to allow access to as many people as possible who didn't have the chance before. And during the last 10 years, we have done that. We try our best. I think Wawasan too, where Professor Wong has done that as well. And if you look at our example there, we started in a very modest way, where in August 2001, we had the first intake of students, only about 750 or so. But now we have a cumulative number of students, about 92 or 93,000 students. But this may be misleading, because ODL institution that I know will always tell you the cumulative number. Very impressive, 1.2 million. Now I was in Jakarta, the Open University of Indonesia, or Universitas Terbuka. They have 600 over 1,000 students. But I'm not sure whether cumulative or active. But let me just say that our active students now is about 38,000. Of the 38,000, about half or 50% are actually teachers. Teachers who only probably have gone through diploma education, but now have the opportunity to be with us, to engage in undergraduate, the first degree. Now I wouldn't like to go through all this, it takes a bit of time, but let me go back. But what is more important in the context of Malaysia, and I believe in all developing countries, the opportunity for people to be on board, to have a second chance. This is where the democratization of education is. Now, what we have done also in the last 4 or 5 years is the opportunity to develop partnerships with other institutions. And we believe that in other countries, we must be working with our partners there, with institutions, educational institutions, who have the experience, who have the knowledge about policies and government regulation in those various countries. And let me share with you that we have been able to have our program, Open University program. First we started in Yemen. We worked with a local university